Today you're going to be learning how to play Cole, and by the end of this lesson you'll be sounding like this. Now this song is a lot of fun to play. There's only 3 chords, there's a nice strumming pattern, as well as some really nice embellishments in there as well, so you'll love to learn this song. Now as I said, there's only 3 chords you'll need to know for this song, which is great for beginners, and if you are looking for more resources as a beginner, I've got a free 5-day course which is going to teach you a few chords as well as 15 beginner songs which are perfect for you to learn as you begin your guitar journey. So go check that out in the description below, and then we can get into our chords for today's lesson. So to start off with, we've got our capo on the 4th fret, so all of the chords I teach you will be relative to that. And the first chord we need to know is an A minor. So we've got just the 5th to the 1st strings, and we're going an open 5th. 2nd fret relative to the capo, of course, on the 4th and 3rd strings. 1st fret of the 2nd string, and then an open 1st string. So that's an A minor. Then we've got a G major, and for this one we're going to use our ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 6th string because we do want to use our index finger later on, so we need to free that one up. So we've got ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 6th string, middle finger 2nd fret of the 5th string, open 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings, and then pinky on the 3rd fret of the 1st string. So that's our G major. And then we've got an F major. So we're going to play a bar chord if you can, otherwise I'll show you a little variation that you could play as well. So to start off with, we'll go the bar chord, which is just an index finger placed over the 1st fret relative to the capo. Then we're going to place our ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 5th string, pinky on the 3rd fret of the 4th string, middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. That's our F major. But if you're struggling with that bar chord, you can take your index finger off and just place it on either the 1st and 2nd strings together on the 1st fret. So you could play the 5th to the 1st string, or you could just play that 2nd string 1st fret and then leave the open 1st string. That'll be an F major 7, but it is an easier way to play an F major if you're struggling. Alright, but if you can, try and get that bar chord. And those are our 3 chords. We've got an A minor, we've got a G major, and we've got an F major. Make sure that's sounding really nice with that bar chord, and then we can get into the strumming pattern. Now, as I said at the beginning, there are some embellishments through this song, some nice little hammer-ons and pull-offs, but you don't need to play them if that's going to be too hard for you. So play at what you're comfortable playing, but let's start off with the strumming pattern, which beginners should be able to play as well. And if you do struggle with this strumming pattern, you can find a strumming lesson in that free 5-day course as well. The strumming pattern is going to be down, down, up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so putting that together, it will be A minor, and then onto our G major, and then onto our F major. You could use the F major 7 if you want, and again. So you'll actually find that the whole song uses the same chord progression. We're going A minor to G to the F major, and then F major again. So there's 4 bars, A minor, G, F, F. Alright, that's the chord progression, but the strumming pattern, putting that together, will be. Alright, and we'll just keep on repeating that throughout the song. That's the easiest way to play it, but there are some great variations in there, and if you want to spice up the song a little bit, and if you're able to, I'd really recommend you add on the embellishments I'm about to show you. So to start off with, in the intro we've got some really nice hammer-ons and pull-offs, and it's the intro and interludes that do this same pattern the whole time, so once you learn it once, you'll be able to play it throughout the rest of the song as well. We're going to play our A minor, but you might want to start off with your middle finger off and strum that one. And then you might want to hammer on with your middle finger onto that 2nd fret of the 4th string to finish off your A minor. So you can hear that really nice add-on there. So our first chord will still be that A minor. All we're doing is adding on that middle finger onto the 2nd fret of the 4th string. Then we're going to go onto our G major, and here, if you can, we're going to change our strumming pattern a little bit. It's going to be down, down, up, up, down, up. So rather than just our down, down, up, we're going to go down, down, up, down, up. And the reason he does this is he adds on his index finger to the 1st fret of the 2nd string and then takes it off in a really nice way. He's going to go. So you can hear that down, down, up, down, up. And here, using our index finger, down, down, add it on, and then take it off. So putting that together. Alright, and I'll work on it slowly for you as well. And a little bit faster. And then one more time, even faster. So you can already hear how different that is from the beginner version that we learned at the start. 2. Then we're going to go onto our F major, and we're going to do that same down, down, up, then down, down, up, down, up. So, and here we're going to change what we play at the very end as well. We're going to go. So there, I'm just lifting off that bar a little bit, and you just really want to hear that open 1st string. So it should be. Then onto our A minor again. So putting that together up to speed, it'll sound like this, but we will work on bringing it up to speed as well. Alright, so let's work on that slowly first off, and as I've just played, we're playing it through twice for the intro and ending off with a single strum at the end. So let's work on that really slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, now let's go a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. And one more time up to speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we'll play that through one time again. And we're just going to end on that single F major, single strum at the end, and that will take us into our verse. Now our verse is going to be much easier to play. It's just a simple. So that's our easiest version that we've already learned, just the down, down, up, down, up. Now we're going to play that through 4 times, but it does change up a little bit throughout. So the first time we'll just play it through normally. The second time we'll go. And then back to our regular version. And then the last time we're going to go. And on that first F major, we're just going to do a single down strum. That will then lead us back into the interlude. So after we've done that F major down strum, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, you might just want to pick up with an up, down, up as we head into our A minor for the interlude, which is the same as the intro. So you already know that part, and we're playing through it twice for our interlude, just as we did for the intro. That'll then take us onto the second verse, and this time it's exactly the same as the first verse. The only difference is the last time we're just going to play through the regular way. So, and that's going to take us into our chorus. Now the chorus again is very similar. We're playing through 3 times, just like we did as I just showed you at the end of the verse. And the 4th time, we're going to go. Alright, so that's 1 bar on the A minor, 1 bar on the G, and then 2 bars on the F major. and then we're going to move on from there. So from there, we're going into an interlude again, same thing. So as you already know, and that will take us onto another verse, which is exactly the same as verse 2, but it does change up a little bit after this one. Because after verse 3, we've got a chorus, which is the same, but at the end of it, we've got our single strums, as you've already learnt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to do 5 down strums. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that fifth one is on the first beat of the next bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And we're just going to mute that quickly as we head into a bridge. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And then we're going to go into a bridge, which is exactly the same as our verses. And we're playing that through 4 times for the bridge. The only difference again there, single strums for the 4th time we play it. Then we've got more of a stripped back chorus after the bridge where we're just going to do down strums for a lot of it. And at the end of it, we're going to go into one last big chorus. And we're playing that through 4 times altogether as we already have learnt. The only difference here is the 4th time we're going to go like this. Just single strums with a quick mute after it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's it for the outro. So if you are looking to work on your strumming, don't forget to go check out that great lesson in my free 5-day beginner course. And otherwise, that was Cole, and I look forward to seeing you next time.